Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off. This prevents short circuits. Once done, remove the SIM tray and any case. Use a small Phillips and spudger to open the back. Keep screws separated and labeled so reassembly is easy. You want an anti-static mat under the phone. This reduces electrostatic discharge. As you open, observe connectors and shields. Taking photos helps you remember cable positions. This step is fast but crucial because a mistake here complicates the whole repair. You now inspect the SIM 2 slot and reader assembly. Look for bent pins, corrosion, or a lifted flex cable. These are common failures. Use compressed air to blow debris, then lightly swab contacts with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush to remove oils. This improves conductivity. If the flex cable appears torn or the reader is loose, you will need to reseat the connector or swap the module. Keep steady pressure while reconnecting. Poor seating causes intermittent detection issues. You reassemble carefully, making sure each shield and connector is back in its original position. This prevents shorts and loose contacts. Power the phone and insert a known good SIM into slot 2, then check settings for network recognition and toggle airplane mode if necessary. If slot 2 still fails, perform a network or factory reset as a final software check, because sometimes firmware misassigns slots. Troubleshooting tip: if hardware checks out but problems persist, replace the SIM reader module. Many issues are physical and fixed by swapping the part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.